Welcome to our video on Persian Rug Services. Persian rugs are renowned for their intricate designs, unique craftsmanship, and exceptional beauty. They are a valuable addition to any home, and can instantly transform a room into a cozy and elegant space. Persian rugs are a work of art that can add charm and character to any home. Their intricate designs, rich colors, and unique patterns are a testament to the skill and creativity of Persian weavers. These rugs are not just decorative pieces, but also valuable investments that can appreciate in value over time. However, maintaining the beauty of Persian rugs can be a daunting task, especially if you don't have the expertise or the tools to do so. Professional Persian Rug Services can help you keep your rugs clean, vibrant, and free from damage. They use specialized tools and techniques to remove dirt, stains, and odors from your rugs, without compromising their quality or beauty. They also provide other services such as repairing, restoring, and appraising your rugs, so you can get the most value out of your investment. If you are a proud owner of a Persian rug, then you know how important it is to maintain its beauty and prolong its life. Regular cleaning and maintenance can help prevent damage, fading, and wear and tear, and preserve the rug's unique character and charm. With professional Persian Rug Services, you can trust that your rug is in good hands and that it will continue to bring joy and beauty to your home for years to come. We hope you enjoyed this video on Persian Rug Services.